National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Somervell County in north central Texas, southwestern Johnson County in north central Texas, north central Bosque County in central Texas, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Meridian, or 13 miles northwest of Clifton, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Glen Rose, Meridian, Meridian State Park, Dinosaur Valley State Park, Walnut Springs, Morgan, Eulogy, Copperell, and Brazos Point. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.